Okay, I wanted to do this a little while ago, but I just haven't had time. I was going to demonstrate resonant energy transfer for a discussion we were having on the board there. Now, this here, I don't know how you can see it, but as you can see, this is a plasma globe, which I just happen to have from quite some time ago, okay? And this goes into just a light bulb. It's one of those new ones. This is a Reptiglow. It's for animal terrariums. We happen to have red-eyed tree frogs. My son loves them, and we've got 2 of them. And for digestive purposes, they need a UV light, so we use this to provide UV radiation to them while they're digesting, to help them digest. Okay, so I'm just going to put that down on the table there for a second. I'm going to turn this light out to demonstrate this principle. Okay, it gets a little darker. That way you'll be able to see it better. Okay, I'm just going to turn the camera sideways. Now, this same bulb, okay, it's not plugged into anything. Now, Tesla did this in Wardenclyfe Tower back in the early 1900s, where JP Morgan funded wireless electricity transfer from one device to another with no media in between. And when JP Morgan said, well, where do I plug in the meter? Tesla said, it's free. You don't plug in a meter. You don't charge for it. JP Morgan said, yeah, okay, that's nice. Have a nice day. You're a crackpot. Go away. I can't make any profit off of this. So this has been around since the early 1900s, and now they're starting to use this now. You're seeing Duracell has those My Charge, My Way, or whatever, and these wireless charge pads and whatnot. You're starting to see this more and more now come out. Now, the theory of resonant energy transfer is that the energy is already here. It's being produced by a source of some kind. It doesn't need to go through the contacts of the light. It can be transferred wirelessly to the bulb. Now, there is no contact. This is just straight placement next to the globe. Of course, it's not very efficient in this particular case, because this light requires a lot of power to come up. But there you go. See, it's not plugged into anything. It's straightforward. It's being transferred. Energy from the plasma is being transferred into the coil, the fluorescent coil, on the UV light to power it and light it up. So this concept is actually starting to get more prominence. And obviously, it doesn't take much power to actually light up that bulb. So this is something that can be done on a number of levels, and we're just not seeing it very mainstream yet. But it will come as it becomes more popular. Right now, it's more a gadget to people. But you know, there it is in a nutshell. Like I said, one straightforward light bulb, and I'll just put it. Whoops! Bump the thing. There we go. I'll come down so you can see there's a gap in there. It is not touching the plasma globe at all. And there is nothing there at all. So there you have it. Resonant energy transfer.